Could ChatGPT spell the end of Google's dominance? We will find out in today's video. For the past 2 decades, Google has been the unrivaled leader of the internet. With $256 billion in revenue in 2021, the search giant's advertising revenue model has made it the trillion-dollar gatekeeper of the internet. Google's nearest competitor, Microsoft's Bing search engine, only has a 9% market share, despite being the preferred search engine for Spider-Man. But for the first time in history, Google's dominance is under threat, and they are worried. AI has revolutionized how people access information and search the internet, and Google is no longer the undisputed king of search. A new challenger, ChatGPT, has emerged and is providing a better user experience by enabling users to ask questions in natural language and providing helpful responses. Initially, Google scoffed at the newcomer, believing that their keyword-based approach was still superior. However, as more and more people began using ChatGPT, Google quickly realized that the challenger was providing a better user experience. Soon, ChatGPT became the go-to search engine for millions of users around the world, and Google, the once mighty research engine giant, was forced to shut down operations and fade into obscurity. ChatGPT, a language model developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT has taken the tech world by storm, as the model can help people write code, decorate their living rooms, draft lease agreements, and even write pretty decent stories. So what exactly is OpenAI trying to do? OpenAI was founded in 2015 by a number of high-profile tech figures, including Sam Altman and Elon Musk. They pledged over $1 billion to OpenAI and its vision to develop artificial general intelligence, AGI, that is safe and friendly. Scientists, including Stephen Hawking, have warned that artificial intelligence could lead to human extinction, so OpenAI's ambition to front-run the threat has been welcomed by the broader tech community. According to Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, AI will be a technological revolution on the scale of the agricultural, the industrial, the computer revolution, and there is no goal other than the creation and deployment of safe, beneficial AGI. The accomplishments of OpenAI so far have been quite impressive. Its research primarily focuses on reinforcement learning from human feedback, which is a process where the AI learns to interact with its environment based on a reward system. The AI is either rewarded or punished for its actions and uses this feedback to update its behavior in order to maximize the reward over time. OpenAI's chatbot, ChatGPT, has taken the internet by storm, amassing 1 million users within 1 week of its launch in November 2022. With the ability to answer questions or prompts, write code, compose poems and songs, solve complex mathematical equations, and even tell jokes, ChatGPT has captured the public's imagination in a way that no product has in a very long time. OpenAI was founded in 2015 as a non-profit with the goal of building an artificial general intelligence that benefits all of humanity. However, in 2019, it turned into a for-profit company after the executives realized they liked the idea of getting filthy rich. Microsoft has invested $1 billion in OpenAI in 2019 and plans to invest a further $10 billion this year, valuing OpenAI at a financial $29 billion. This is not bad for a company burning through $3 million every day in computing costs alone. Microsoft is betting big on the future of AI and believes that OpenAI will deliver that future. However, this is alarming and potentially disruptive news for Google. Google's CEO, Sundar Pichai, has shelved the work of numerous groups inside the company to focus specifically on responding to the threat that ChatGPT poses. This threat has elevated further since Microsoft is preparing to launch a version of its Bing search engine that uses the artificial intelligence behind ChatGPT to answer some search queries directly. People have been discussing the rise of AI for decades, and one of the world's first chatbots, Eliza, was launched back in 1966 at MIT. Since then, the 21st century has brought exponential growth in computing power, data storage, and AI models. Big tech companies have invested billions of dollars in a heated arms race to build human-level AI. Apple bought Siri in 2010, Amazon released Alexa in 2014, Google acquired DeepMind the same year and later launched Google Assistant in 2016, and Microsoft launched Cortana in 2014 and invested in OpenAI in 2019. Many recent inventions have been focused on virtual AI assistants, but most of them have been pretty underwhelming. That was until Google launched LaMDA, an AI-powered chatbot, which former Google engineer Blake Lemoine claimed to be sentient. Sentient or not, advancements in AI chatbots are clearly reaching new heights, and with the launch of ChatGPT, OpenAI seems well positioned to challenge Google's 92% search engine market share. ChatGPT isn't even a search engine, it's an answer engine. Unlike Google, which provides high-quality search results for users, ChatGPT has scanned the entire internet and has derived an answer for you instantly, without clicking, searching, or an ad. This completely breaks Google's business model. Without search, Google doesn't make any money. This paradigm shift in the market is an existential threat to Google. ChatGPT has exposed the wider problem that Google will need to act on. Any company with enough resources can theoretically build a chatbot experience using deep learning models. Over time, Amazon, Meta, and other big tech companies will inevitably leverage their deep learning models. By using the same publicly available data, they would all converge on the same outcome, a ChatGPT-like chatbot application. In fact, Google is reportedly planning on launching their own large language model chatbot called Sparrow later in 2023, in a bid to catch up with OpenAI. Sparrow has been developed by DeepMind, Google's AI research team, known best for building programs to humiliate the world's best chess play. What's your thought? Do you think ChatGPT a threat to Google? Comment below.